How to install Eurocard app. So just tap get and you will be able to install the app. So just double click to install. With the Eurocard app, you have full control of your balance, purchases and receipts. You'll find features for smarter management of expenses. You can, for example, scan and save your paper receipts with the app, scan paper receipts and match them with a transaction, easily import of PDF receipts, convert currencies on business trips or on purchases from abroad. You can also receive notifications on local currency rates when you're out of the country. Data from the app makes expense reporting and management easier. So there you can just open it up. This app is mostly popular in Scandinavia, or you can just do like international, and then you can just log in. You need to have your customer ID, or you can log in via SMS. And then you just have settings. You can log in with Face ID, select country, change language. And that's basically the idea. So hope that's helpful.